Hello everyone. Today in this lecture we are going to see relation between porosity and voids ratio, or to prove E plus 1 bracket complete 1 minus n, that is porosity bracket complete, is equal to 1. Now before starting the relationship we have to know the concepts of voids ratio, porosity, degree of saturation, etc. terms, which we have already seen the definitions in the previous lecture. So before starting this relationship, we have to take a look regarding this three-phase system. This three-phase system diagram. Look towards this diagram. This is a soil structure. This is a soil structure with the help of diagrammatical representation, which means three-phase system. We are going to separate the terms like air, water, soil solids. This three-phase system is nothing but it is a diagrammatical representation of the soil mass, which termed as phase diagram. Okay, this is a phase diagram. Now, on the right hand side, these are the wet terms. On left hand side, these are the volume terms. You can see this is VA, that is volume of air, volume of water, volume of soil solids. Similarly, WA, weight of air, weight of water, weight of soil solids. And this overall, that is weight of total weight. Here also same, this is total weight. Now here volume of air and volume of water is nothing but it is volume of voids, that is VV. Okay, I think you understood the overview what we are going to do now. So this is a phase diagram. With the help of phase diagram, now we will prove the relation. So before proving the relation, relations must solve in the systematic procedure or in the manner. So I have some tricks like whenever you solve the relationships, first of all you have to look the names what they have involved, like prove the relation between porosity and voids ratio. So you have to write the definitions of that voids ratio and porosity. This will be our first. So this is the only question. We have to draw the phase diagram. Then the next definitions of those terms which we have to calculate. Now here the voids ratio, that is E is equal to volume of voids to volume of soil solids, and porosity, that is denoted by small n, that is volume of voids to total volume. Now we will solve this. So first of all we will write, that is E is equal to VV divided by VS. Now look at the figure, how you can split this. Means like VV we can split VA plus VW divided by VS. Now here we can't split VS because it is just volume of soil solids, but VV is nothing but it is VA plus VW. Now here we can write like total volume, that is VT is equal to volume of air plus volume of water plus volume of soil solids. The next porosity N is equal to VV upon V. Here you can write same VA plus VW divided by, now here it is the total volume, that is total V. So we will keep the V as it is. If when we split it, that is V will be VA plus VW plus VS. So now look at these two definitions. we have to form the relation that e plus 1, 1 minus e is equal to 1. So with the help of this void ratio, I can split it. How I can split it? See, E is equal to VV upon. Instead of this VS, I can write V minus VV is equal to VS. Means this VV, this term will come this side. So Vs is equal to V minus Vv. So here I can write V minus Vv. What I did, have just expanded this term. So E is equal to Vv divided by V minus V. I have substituted this. Now next step, divide with capital V by both numerator and denominator. So we will get E is equal to VV divided by V divided by V minus VV divided by V. So this E is equal to VV by V, V by V minus VV by V. So this you can write, this VV by V is nothing but porosity, which we have seen or we have kept here. So now you can write VV get cancelled, 1 minus n. So here E is equal to which we have proved. Similarly, we can do now porosity, that is N is equal to VV by V total volume. Here you can write VV divided by VV plus VS. Volume of air plus volume of water plus volume of soil solids. See, this air, water, solids is total volume. Okay. Now here divide by Vs on both numerator and denominator terms. So porosity is equal to VV by Vs divided by VV by Vs. So here you can write VV by Vs divided by VV by Vs plus Vs by Vs. So this gets cancelled. Our answer will be, now VV by Vs is nothing but E divided by E plus 1. Now for getting further relationship, we have, for getting further relationship, we have subtracting n from 1 means 1 minus n is equal to 1 minus . So now here you have to write 1 minus n E plus 1 minus E divided by E plus 1. this E get cancels. 1 minus n, E plus 1 is equal to 1. Or you can write adding E in 1. E plus 1, E plus 1 is equal to n plus 1 minus n, 1 minus n. Therefore, this get cancels. E plus 1 or 1 minus n is equal to 1. In this manner, we have proved our relationship. So before finishing the relationship, we will take a look. Now I will explain the overview. See, what was the question? Relationship between porosity and voids ratio, or they have told prove this relationship. Okay, for that I have drawn the phase diagram. Phase diagram is important. Again, I have written the formulas, means I have to calculate voids ratio and porosity only. If my question is calculate degree of saturation and specific gravity also, then I will add these two formulas also. In the given question, they told to calculate or they told to prove the relation between these two terms only. That's why I have written these two definitions. So I have taken a key that V, volume, total volume is nothing but VA plus VW plus VS. With the help of this formula, first of all I have taken voids ratio. This was the formula. With the help of this formula, I have expanded that VV, how it can split, and porosity, how it can split. Then I have taken this term, that is this Vs I can split, that is Vs is equal to total volume minus Vv. Then I have divided by V. Why? Because I wanted the answer in terms of porosity. So for getting the porosity, what was the definition? Vv by V. For that purpose, I have divided with total volume. And I got the answer, that is E is equal to porosity divided by 1 minus porosity. Next I wanted porosity in terms of with the help of voids ratio. So what I have did, I have taken the original definition and I have expanded how it can split. Then I have taken this Vv plus Vs. Here I got Vs. Why? Because in voids ratio, the definition is volume of voids to volume of soil solids. So with the help of volume of soil solids, I have divided and I got this E divided by E plus 1. But my question was, you prove the relation in this matter, that is E plus 1, 1 minus E. For this, I have subtracted 1 from this and added in void ratio. The next I have did, for getting further relationship, I have subtracted porosity from 1. I got this answer. And I have added, then also I got this answer. Okay, thank you.